on a field trip, to take a tour on a microchip, to visit each individual organelle that can be explored in an animal cell. Some differences between an animal cell and a plant cell are that the plant cell makes its own food, and the animal cell has to receive its food. We will slip in through the cell membrane, which is like a plant cell's membrane, just the same, separates the outside from the in, and acts just like the cell skin. Once inside, stay clear of vacuoles. You might get stuck in food, water, or waste in these holes. In a plant cell, the central vacuole is so grand that instead of many, one was only planned. Another thing that animals don't have is chloroplast. Plant cells need it to capture sunlight. On our way to the nucleus, we will pass through cytoplasm without much fuss. This is a general name for all we view, like Golgi bodies and mitochondria, to name a few. Mitochondria produces the cell's energy. Golgi bodies package and send stuff free to parts of these cells that might be in need. As we get closer to the nucleus, take heed. We will be entering endoplasmic reticulum, wandering tunnels that have some ribosomes in the walls to make protein for the cell, and release them to the ER tube shell. On their way to the Golgi body for distribution, the plant cell uses a central vacuole, while the animal cell has one singular vacuole. And these are found in only some animal cells. Keep your attention on me. This tour is close to conclusion. The most visible organelle is the nucleus. It keeps the cell's hereditary data without any fuss. It is the control center and the part that has the information on how a new cell to start. We are moving back to the edge of the cell, but as we go, there is still things to see as well. On your left, see a lysosome, our dumping ground. Here, broken down food particles and cell parts are found. Look above and you will see fiber shapes that seem wispy. The cytoskeleton is the cell's bones. It gives it shape and tone. We will now return to the cell membrane. You will feel some bumping but just the same. Remain seated until the tiny ship has come to a full and complete stop. Then it's time, back to your full-size world to hop. Hope you enjoyed your tour.